not dreaming, they are not going anywhere. We are meant for the great things, and we're gonna do marvelous things in our lives. Welcome the Genius Publishing SA.
But your art has to be good enough to communicate to someone else. It's something you can learn to be better at.
We can dream, imagination, we can dream. We build a new world, you and me.
One day we say, Unkandla lawyer, is that Unkandla? And then we are talking about the different person that who have unleashed that genius pudding thing.